Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Facebook not working on your phone. Let's get started. First, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If Facebook isn't loading, you can try turning the airplane mode on and off. This refreshes your connection. After that, you can simply close the Facebook app completely and then reopen it. Sometimes the app just needs a quick restart to work properly again. After that, you need to go and simply open up the App Store. In the search bar, simply search for Facebook. Once you search for it, tap onto it. And if it says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Outdated version can often cause bugs and crashes. After that, if it's still not working, restart your phone. It refreshes all background processes. And that's it. That is how you can fix Facebook not working in just a few steps. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.